Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet M1005 MFP printer driver in Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. First of all, just go to the any web browser and here just type HP LaserJet M1005 MFP printer driver and hit enter on your keyboard. First link is from the hp.com, support.hp.com. Open that link. This is an official website of HP. And official website of HP is open. But this website is not supporting Windows 11 operating system. So it is redirect you to the Windows 10. And Windows 10 drivers are absolutely work on Windows 11 operating system. So don't worry about that. Here is the driver product. Here is our drivers. So here is our drivers. Just click on these drivers at download. Okay, I save it on the desktop. Save it and start download. Now close it. Minimize it. Here is our drivers. So there are two ways to install your printer. First way is very simple. Just double click it and install your printer, and second is the best way, install it manually. We are going to install it manually. Okay, so right click on this file. This is an zip file. Right click on it, show more options, and just click on extract file. Just click on extract file. Click on the OK. Here is our extracted folder. Double click on it, and here is our drivers. So close it. Now the last step is very simple. Just go to the start. Type control panel, click on the control panel. Here we find devices and printers. Click on the devices and printers. Here we find add a printer. Minimize it. The printer that I want isn't listed. Just click at here. The printer that I want isn't listed. Here we find add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next. Just select port. Port is the most IMP part. Just select any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, 004. Just select any USB port. Click on the next. Here just click on have a disk. Click on the browse. Our drivers are on the desktop. So just go to the desktop. Just find our drivers folder. Here is our drivers folder. Just double click on it and scroll down. Here we find three files. Just click on any file. All three files are the working with our drivers. Just click on any file and click on open. Click on OK. Here is our HP LaserJet M1005. Select that. Click on next. Click on next. Click on the yes. Now it is installing our printer. If you want to print a test page, then click on the printer test page or click on the finish. Click on the finish. Now just check our printer is installed or not. That is very easy. Just go to the start, type control panel, click on the control panel, just click on devices and printers and scroll down, and here we find HP LaserJet M1005. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install HP LaserJet M1005 MFP printer driver in Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.